Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain aggressive chaos problem. So we have to find the minimum distance between two cows, which is the maximum possible. So here's the input, here's the out. Now in the code, there are there's a default function we are using aggressive cows. In the can we place function, we are checking can we fit the cow in the distance. So we are setting variables count cows to the one last at the zeroth index using for loop using with first index to the last of array. Now if their difference is greater than the distance given, so we are increasing our count, and if our count is greater than the cows, so we are returning true else false. Now in the second function, now in aggressive cows function, so using first we are sorting the our array, then using binary search, so defining low pointer, high pointer, and in while loop we are defining their meet, low plus high by 2. So if can we place is equals to 2, in which our in which we can find our minimum distance between two cows is maximum possible, is equals to true, then we are moving on low pointer else high and returning our high, which is the largest gap possible for the cows. That's it. Thank you.